In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel room on Booking.com using the 2025 guide. Let's walk through this process together step by step to ensure your booking experience is as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Booking.com. Open your web browser and type in Booking.com, where we can begin our search for the perfect hotel. This site is a popular choice for travelers due to its comprehensive range of hotel listings and easy to use interface. Once you're on the website, the first thing you'll notice is the search bar on the home page. Here, you'll enter the name of the place you're traveling to, or if you have a specific hotel in mind, you can enter that instead. For instance, if you're planning a trip to Manila, simply type in Manila and hit enter. Following that, it's time to select your check-in date. This is crucial as hotels tend to fill up fast, especially during peak travel seasons. You'll see a calendar icon next to the check-in date box. Click on it and choose the date when you plan to check in, and be sure to do the same for your checkout date. Remember, selecting consecutive dates will ensure smooth accommodation arrangements during your travel. Now let's select the number of guests. According to your travel plan, specify how many adults and children will be staying. It's important to provide accurate details since it will help in getting the right room size and amenities that cater to your needs. Once you've filled in this information, you can click on the Done button to finalize the selections. With everything set, proceed by clicking the Search button. This will generate a list of available accommodations based on your criteria. Browse through these options, taking note of features like reviews, proximity to key attractions, and of course, price. Once you find a hotel that fits your needs, click on See Availability to get more details. Next, determine the number of rooms you'd like to reserve. If you're booking for a large group or family, ensure that you reserve enough rooms to comfortably accommodate everyone. After deciding on the number of rooms, click on I'll reserve to proceed with the booking. You will then be prompted to enter your personal details. This is a standard procedure where you'll need to fill out your name, contact information, and any special requests you might have for the hotel. When you're done, click on Next Final Details. You're now almost at the end of the process. The final step in booking your hotel is to click on Complete Booking. This will secure your reservation based on the information you've provided, and you'll likely receive a confirmation email shortly after detailing your booking reference and any additional information. Now, you're all set with your hotel booking on Booking.com. This user-friendly process ensures you can easily manage your travel plans with just a few clicks. Happy travels!